All right, so we got everything done here on the truck. I'm going to demonstrate a few things. We did get you completely set up. Yes, that's your backup camera. Yes, of course, the trailer hitch ball is right in front of it because that's where it's supposed to be anyway. Because when you're going to hook up the trailer, the camera is going to pick that up and it'll help you line it up. Anyway, that's not what we're talking about right now. We're getting to the backup camera here in a minute. There's your 7-pin and 4-pin right there, ready to rock. Anyway, we got you the hitch with the 3 most common balls and the hook, so you can basically do any towing you want that you need to do. All set. Now, here's the beauty part of this. Say you're towing a trailer, and you're like, oh, I gotta load something in the bed with the liftgate. Well, you don't have to pull the hitch out, because look, it clears. How cool is that? How cool is that? It clears. All right, now we're gonna get with the other goodies. I'm gonna take and put the hitch and the hitch pin behind the seat, so you'll have. So we saw the liftgate clears the hitch. That's cool. Backup cameras down there. We'll demonstrate that in a bit. Saw this in a previous video. Got your 6 hooks, your eyelets here for your tie downs. Awesome. All right. Now we're gonna finish demonstrating everything else here in the truck. All right. So here we are in the cab of your truck. Driver eye view. All of our usual stuff functions. Our lights and everything, as you know. So I'm just gonna turn the key on. And I have my phone cord plugged in here. This is the one that'll automatically go to CarPlay, so keep your phone plugged in there. All right, so when it engaged CarPlay, it turned the video off, but see, we're already on CarPlay. As you can see, we demonstrated this a little earlier. But look, we have steering wheel controls. A bunch of other little things here. Of course, you can make calls just like regular on CarPlay. Anything else? Now, the best part, reverse. There's your backup camera. How awesome is that? So much better. Trailer brake controller's up here. I'll leave the instructions here for you so you guys can go over that when you hook your trailer up. But that's all wired, ready to go. But yeah, backup camera. When you pop it out of reverse, obviously it turns the radio back up to where it's supposed to be. And yes, we did put 2 new speakers in. The truck only had 2 speakers from the factory in the front here. They were dead. Now they are good to go.